Hi everyone, my name is Miguel from Miami Bass Fishing. If you are new to the channel, welcome, and if you are already subscribed, welcome back. Today it's Friday, April 2? April 2? No, April 3. I'm heading right now to Lake Okeechobee for to pre-fish the Florida B.A.S.S Nation Kayak Series, the South Division. This is gonna be the second time that I'm gonna be on Lake Okeechobee, but the first time I was on a completely different side, on the north side of the Lake Okeechobee, which I'm not gonna be fishing now because there's gonna be a tournament and there's gonna be a lot of boats there. So I decided to go to another side of the lake. So yeah, it's a completely new side of the lake. I have fished 3 tournaments, Lakes Topoga and Kissimmee Chain. The conditions have been terrible. Every single of those tournaments has happened after a cold front. Right now there is not a cold front, but there's a lot of wind, and also there is a full moon, so basically the conditions are not great either. I'm new to tournament fishing, so I don't have like too much experience about it. I'm gonna be pre-fishing. What I'm gonna try to do is like know the place that I'm gonna be fishing because I haven't been there, see the spots that I think that they may hold like any fish, make a few casts, try to catch 1 or 2 and move on, mark it on the map and move on. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna try to do. Let's see how it goes, and welcome to the channel. Hi everyone, welcome to another YouTube video. As I said before, I'm already at the spot that I'm gonna be fishing, pre-fishing for the Florida B.A.S.S Nation Kayak Series over here in Okeechobee. Right now it's 6:43. The sun is starting to come up. I'm gonna start using the Seaman Chatterbait Evo with the Seaman Chatterbait with the Seaman Mean as a trailer. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move, try to find it, and if I get a few bites, just mark the spot and keep fishing. Let's see if we can find a few. Few flips around these reeds right here. Maybe I can get a bite. Maybe. Jump, crispy cross. This beauty right here. Finally, bro, one. And it's a nice one. Get over here, yep, nice one. Nice fish, bro, on the Christy Grove. I knew that there had to be like some fish around here. Ooh, I feel so much better now, man. Okay, I already caught one here. It was going nowhere. Let me grab the board and measure it. Finally, one fish, bro. Close your mouth, close it, close it. First fish of pre-practice at Lake Okeechobee. Beautiful fish. Nothing crazy, right? 14-incher.
slide over here. I like it, Picasso. Okay, sorry. We are getting close to where I want to be. Gonna try like over there. Exactly where they are. Bro, these fish, they fight, bro. Yeah, truly fighters. Get them. Another nice one, man. Another nice one. Probably around 14 pounds. I mean, 14 pounds, 14 inches too. They are exactly where they are supposed to be. I was like almost sure that there had to be a fish here. The end of the practice, I caught 2 fishes, lost 2, and yeah, that was it. Nothing. But I wasn't like fishing at all, and the like completely right. And the wind started to get like a little bad around 11 a.m. So tomorrow is tournament day. I'm gonna do the same that I did today to catch those 2. I like to take more time on every single spot, and hopefully at least I don't want to win or I don't want to be in the top 10 or anything like that. I just wanna catch that in. That's all. As of right now, there are 20 anglers signed up for the tournament. Let's see how many tomorrow. And yeah, thank you everyone for watching.